All right, here we go. For a dilation with a scale factor less than 1, how do the angles and side lengths compare? Are the angles proportional, side lengths larger, angles proportional, side lengths smaller, angles congruent, side lengths larger, angles congruent, side lengths smaller? Which one is it? D. Angles are congruent. In similar objects, angles are always congruent, and if the scale factor is less than 1, then the side lengths are smaller. What's the scale factor on number 2 going to be? B or C? C. It'll be C because you always put the new over the original. 12 over 8 is 3 over 2. When you dilate the ordered pair 2, 4 with a dilation of 1/2, what is the new ordered pair that results? 1, 2. Okay, if you dilate this triangle to be twice the size, instead of back 1 up 2, it's back 2 up 4. Instead of over 2 up 1, it's over 4 up 2. Instead of back 1 down 2, it's back 2 down 4. So the new triangle looks like this: x prime, y prime, z prime. Number 5. Did we move it? Now we're going from this one to this one. So it's an enlargement, right? So the only possibilities it could be are A and C. Okay, A and C, because we're dilating it to bigger. Okay, now did we reflect it across the x-axis, then dilate it? No. What we did was we dilated it twice the size, so instead of 1, 1, we're at 2, 2. Instead of at 1, 2, we're at 2, 4. Instead of at 3, 1, we're at 6, 2. Oh, right there. Okay, that's our dilation that we did first, and then we move it to the right 1, up 3. To the right 1, up 3, and so on. Okay, so there we go. It was A. All right, looking at the angles. 46 degrees is in between the biggest and the smallest. Biggest and smallest, so this is 46 degrees. In between the medium and the biggest is 29. So in between the medium and the biggest is 29. So 29 is there. Hey, that's the one we're looking for. So the answer is 29. D, E, F, J, K, L. We want them to be similar. We have a side and an angle, so we need the other side. So we need side DF and side JL. So DF to JL has to be in a what to what ratio? 2 to 1. So it is choice B. Choice B for that one. Okay, number 8. If this is 88 and this is 55, then this must be 33. And here is x. So the small one, x over 33 for the small triangle equals this whole side, x plus 72, over this whole side, 88. So if we cross multiply, 88x equals 33 times x plus 72. So 88x equals 33x plus, what's 72 times 33? I couldn't understand you.
2,376.
2,376. If we subtract 33x, 55x equals 2,376. If we divide by 55, what do we get? 43.2. Okay. What is JL? Well, if we put an x here, we say 8 over 6 equals 6 over x. Cross multiply, 8x equals 36. If we divide by 8, x equals 4.5. So the answer is 4.5, right? No, this is a mistake many of you made on the quiz. 4.5 is ML, but we're looking for JL, which is 8 plus 4.5, or 12.5. BD. BD is right there. So 2 over x equals x over 8. Cross multiply, x squared equals 16. So x must equal 4. Choice A. Okay, similar triangles. Baby, mama, and the big one's papa. So what's the right angle of baby? K. What's the short side of baby? K, M. And the other side is L. Mama, the right angle is K. The short side is KL, and the other side is J. Papa, the right angle is L. The short side is LM, and the other one is J. So it's MKL, so they went in this order. So it's LKJ. LKJ is a yes, and it's MLJ, which is a yes, which makes this one a no. For number 12, how would you set up the proportion? 2x minus 8 over 5 equals x minus 3 over 3. Now, if you went 2x minus 8 over x minus 3 equals 5 over 3, that would be the same thing. Because when you cross multiply, they wind up multiplying by each other. So 6x minus 24 equals 5x minus 15. Subtract 5x. X minus 24 equals negative 15. Add 24. X equals 9. Okay, let's look at this. Does AB over BC equal FE over DE for A? Yes. We can't use a 1/2 because it's not a triangle. So there's no 1/2 involved because it has to be a triangle. And BE over CD equals AF over BE. That does not make sense unless it would be a triangle. So that would also be no. Okay, 14. How do we set up the proportion? X over 24 equals x plus 10 over 54. Cross multiply. 54x equals 24 times x plus 10. We distribute. 54x equals 24x plus 240. Subtract 24x. 30x equals 240. So x equals 8. And the last one, how do we set it up? 14 over 4 equals x over 7. Cross multiply. 4x equals 98. Divide by 4. X equals 24.5. There we go. That is your review.